sky falls and I can fly again. Break the walls in my mind, and then I find my wings and the strength.
Time to show this baby off. So it was just painted Gulf blue. Some stickers, which I actually need to change. So this will probably go away, and another bigger one will be here instead. Nice paint job. It still has the same Subaru engine, WRX turbo. Alright. Put all the new seals, everything I could replace. I replaced the locks on the windows, all the window seals, all the windows. Well, actually, just the front window was replaced. As far as interior, we put the new dash in, painted this glove box in a really cool way, redid the headliner, so this was actually a major pain in the butt. And the door cards, that was the easiest mod. They fit perfectly. So that's, well, oh, actually carpets were replaced. The pedals are a bit dirty. Steering wheel got replaced as well. The original was way too big. Nothing major here in the back, so just need to put something on top there to make it look nicer. So even though messed up on the wheels, actually on the tire size a little bit, I wanted much fatter, bigger tire, like at least an inch higher than it is right now. It's still, even at this point on these tires, first of all, it grips like crazy. Second, it handles a lot better, a lot, and it actually rides softer. So potentially we'll replace these 50-15s with something. So, and eventually I will replace the seats with something that fits better, maybe STI seats in a nice blue that will match, well, sort of match. Start it up. Radio needs a little bit of work, but that's minor. New sun visors, new mirror. Gauges, actually all of them work fine. Replaced all the knobs. So some Britney Spears, hold on. So I'm gonna put this carpet in here like this, it's gonna look much better. And let's see, I should have it here. I also have this huge sticker that will probably go here sideways like this. It might actually fit nicely like this. Maybe like this, but I definitely don't like the one in the center. It just looks too centered, too perfect. It took some time, but actually I'm very happy with the result. And kind of feel bad selling the car at this point, but I have too many of them. Too many of them. This is another one that I still need to review. I just realized I never shot a video of this car, and this thing is a beauty. It's done a bit on a different level with some cool features like this. Cluster here, Porsche gauges, Porsche wheels, white fenders. So it's coming next. Let me know what you guys think.
I was trapped inside your cage, believing every word you say, but the door's been opened wide. I'm finally outside.